Move. All we gotta do now is put the finishing touches on. What's going on, everybody? It's nice to see you back here, and today we are doing a roof. As you can see, we got the metal, the plywood, we got contract. So what we're actually doing today is our client actually had slapped some of this metal on himself, and as you can see, it's not bad, but they had to tarp it because it started rotting underneath. So he called us up and was like, hey, come do my roof. So here we are, we're doing a roof. Yeah, this is Sassy C. This is Roofy Leak, and we're going to fix her up so that way she don't leak no more, and maybe fix up the inside, but that's a maybe, because maybe. Anyway, people, I hope you enjoy us, like us, stay tuned with us, watch us, get you some work footage in just a minute. We ran into an incident, and we were taking the gutter down, and the fascia came off.
It broken.
It wasn't even attached to nothing.
It broken.
It was hanging out like on loose tape.
But
my nose.
really, if you look at it here, all this water damage, it wasn't even really anything there.
Okay.
So this just went from fun to
There's the meal marking.
funner.
Funner, gunner.
Yeah.
Funner.
We'll
get her.
we're definitely gonna have to fix this.
There's a hole in the floor. You see it? That piece right there is actually supposed to be up there on that other roof, is where this piece right here came from.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be up there where that stack is. That's called a stack smoke. Like a double stack from Wendy's. 4 for 4.
4 for 4.
I guess that's what you call a Mick Pick 2.
Right. A Mick Pick broke.
It's a Sassy C. And we're back fixing this laundry room. And today we're going to take this piece out. Hopefully we ain't got to remove all this trim and it just comes right out. It looks like it's kind of just caulked up there. Maybe we can push on it and get it out. We're going to fix this trim up, and we're going to fix this up, clean it up. Stay tuned. We're going to be finishing the metal today. We're going to be in there today. As you can see, we got the metal on. No! All we gotta do now is put the finishing touches on.
Yep, we're gonna touch it.
And then clean up and finish the rest.
We're gonna touch it.
Yeah.
We're gonna touch it.
Stay tuned.
What's up, people? We are here at another job, and this one required some metal to be bent just to make it look pretty. So we went and rented us a metal brake, and we're putting some bends on some metal to make this roof not leak anymore, and to make it look pretty. So stay tuned. We're about to wrap up this job. We're putting the finishing touches on the top, and we have contracted Sassy inside doing the other work that where the water damage was. So stay tuned. We'll show you the finished product.
Well, everybody, we got the roof put back on, the gutter put back on. We got the vinyl underneath put back on, and in here where we had to fix up the laundry room, we got it all fixed up, painted, caulked. Look good, look good. You can't even tell which one it was. This is actually the first time we actually had paint match properly, and it looks good. But yeah, that's another one for the Homeowners Handyman. This is Sassy C. We're cleaning up, wrapping up. About to call it a day. Done on this amazing job. I'm gonna crawl up here and get y'all some footage of this real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what we do, people. We come back and make everything look good. This is Sassy C. Like, subscribe, share, comment, or whatever else I missed. Later.